If you want to edit lock screen clock on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Next, we're going to scroll down a little bit and we're going to go to the personalization. In here, we're going to tap on the lock screen. And in order to edit the lock screen, we need to tap on it. Now over here, we can start by choosing different style for the clock. We have many different faces to choose from, different aesthetics, and so on and so forth. So you can choose whichever you like the most. You can also go to font in order to find some additional options, and it actually depends on the style that you choose. For example, if I choose one of these classic options, as you can see, I have many different fonts to choose from. I can adjust the boldness of the font. We have different effects as well, color settings. If I choose a big clock, then of course I have some more stuff as well. So lots of different things that we can customize in here. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done with these changes, you should be able to tap on apply in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.